I've been teaching at a middle school in Japan for the last 3 years, and I must say, the school lunch never disappoints me. As someone who grew up in the US, I found it really hard to believe that schools in Japan actually have trained chefs come to the school every day to cook for all of the students. I'm not talking about throwing a bunch of pizzas and hamburgers into a microwave. They cut hundreds of seasonal vegetables, fish, and other ingredients so you know that the food that you're putting into your body is high quality. Also, when the food tastes good, students are more likely to finish what's on their plate. That's just common sense. But what I'm trying to say is that so much food is wasted every day in the US simply because of its low quality. How do you expect everyone to want to finish what's on their plate when the food sucks so bad? I remember when I was in elementary school, my friends and I would collect the rotten fruit and the stale chicken nuggets and we would have a little war outside. Probably not the best use of the food, but those were definitely some good times. I would really like to see the school lunches get better in the US. It blows my mind that we're in 2022, yet the school lunches haven't improved over the last couple decades. Those students study so hard every day that they at least deserve to eat a decent meal for lunch. Maybe a salad or some vegetables wouldn't hurt either. I think that would give them a bit more motivation to go to school and not waste so much food every day. But hey, what do I know? Anyways, what are your thoughts on the school lunch in your country? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.